Alright, so this is my 2022 ecodiesel. I'm going to be putting in, finally, my charge pipes that I've had sitting in my shed for the longest time. AFE charge pipes. Got both of them there. And here's the motor, 3.0 ecodiesel. I already have an AFE intake. Don't mind how dirty it is. Real dusty. Needs to be cleaned. So one's gonna go here, and the other one's gonna go here. So let's go ahead and start taking things apart. Well, here's everything all laid out. I like the material on it. And it's black. I like the black, so I picked black as the color. I like the rough material on it. There you go, see that it says AFE on it. Good quality. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna have to take this top cover off. And we're gonna have to go ahead and take the intake filter, the intake pipe off, and make room to get to the charge pipes. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, I got my intake tube gone, out of the way. So now I got access to both my charge pipes. So now I can go ahead and start taking these apart and get the new ones put in. Alright, so I got the clip disconnected here. I used 2 flatheads to go ahead and disconnect it. Alright, so I went ahead and disconnected them from the bottom so they can come out in one piece. Here's one. And I just need to pop the clips on this second one here. There you go. This pops right off. Supposed to pop right off. The bottom has it stuck. There we go. Alright, so I got this one popped out. So you remove this 10mm bolt here. Comes right out. I'm gonna drop it to the bottom because it's gonna be a lot easier to come out from the bottom. Alright. Alright, so here's the old parts. And these are the clips I was talking about. I just used two flatheads or one flathead and it just comes right out. So that was easy to do there, but these are the stock ones. Now let's get those AFE ones in. Alright, so I went ahead and put the bolt in with some thread locker that comes with the kit. And I got the clip off. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this part right now. Alright, so I went ahead and connected that. That's connected with the clip. And I did the bottom. Bottom right here. It's connected with the clip in. And I have the elbow connected to both pipes. So I just gotta go ahead and get the clamps on and connect the clamps, but everything is in. And that's it going to the top up there. So everything is in. I just gotta go ahead and tighten up those clamps on the elbow. Already looks a lot better. Alright, let's go ahead and get this other side in. So I got both of them connected and in. The only things I gotta do left is connect the clamps, tighten down the clamps, and that is it for the rubber boots. And I'm all done. Just go ahead and tighten those down and put the air filter intake back on. It's tightened, everything's in place. Now it's just to put the intake tube back in. Alright, I got everything back together. Got the pipe running there. Another one here. Going down. Everything's connected and tight. So let's start it up, see how it sounds. Alright, so in case anybody's wondering what these are the AFE Power Blade Runners. There's the part number if there's anybody interested to get for their ecodiesel. It's from 20 to 22. And here's one last look at them. From what I can hear, it sounds like you can hear the turbo a little bit more, which is good. Any more noise is good. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.